Hello friends, Jai Dwarkadhish. My today's routine. Today I wake up early in the morning at 7 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth. After then I take a cup of tea. Then I read a newspaper for half an hour. Then I go to walk in the garden. After walking, I come to my home. Then I take a bath. After then, I watch the English conversation video in the YouTube channel. I reading a book. Then I write a short note in family. At 10 o'clock, I go to garden. In the garden, I sit with my friends. I sit in the garden an hour. Then I come back my home. At 12 o'clock, I take my lunch with my family. After taking lunch, I nap a while. Then I practice to speak English with my friends. Then I go to library. I read a newspaper named Times of India for an hour. After reading newspaper, I come back to my home. I watch the TV. I watch a English film in the TV for 1.5 hours. Then I take a dinner with my family. After taking dinner, I watch the TV for half an hour. At 10:30 p.m., I go to bed and sleep. Good night, friends.